Okay, for this first tutorial, we are going to be slicing a Photoshop image. A Photoshop image is slicing. I know it's a very basic, not too complicated, but nevertheless, we will do it just so, oh look, I even have it open, just so we know how to do it. Now with Joomla, you've got to remember several things. Um, Normally I would actually slice this image differently, but because we're going to be doing it in Joomla, everything's going to be a little different. These things are going to be dynamically generated, these menu items right here. Of course, the text we don't need, so we can turn that off. And actually the search box we don't need either, because that is included in Joomla. Oh, you know what? We do need, let's see here, there we go. Okay, so if you're following along, you have this. So we're going to go first over to the slice tool. Select the slice. And let's zoom in a little bit. And now you might think we want to slice maybe just this image and then another image as this, or even put it as a background in CSS. But actually we're going to just go ahead and slice the whole thing. It'll be easier for right now, and for the purposes that's all we need. So we're going to slice it. Bring it all the way over here. Alright. Not perfect. Let's drag it back over. Alright, looks good, looks good. Now we also want to have this little arrow right here for our main menu items, or for our headers, for our menu titles. So I'm going to slice around that. Don't need this because this text is going to be dynamically generated. And also this little arrow right here we're going to slice around, because we'll be using that later too. Okay, so now we have 3 slices. Very basic, very simple. But now we're going to go down over here to the Slice Select tool. And remember, these are the images that we're going to be using in the background of our website. All CSS driven. So I'm going to click on here, double click, and we're going to name it. I'm going to name it header. You can name it whatever you want. We got header. I'm going to call this main arrow. And this little dinky one down here, arrow. Okay, and that's all we do. That's it. Now we have to save for the web. File, save for the web. Make sure, now I like to use JPEGs on these, and I'm going to just boost this up just a little better quality. It's fine. JPEG, and that's fine. Now we're going to do save. Find the document. Now we want to do not all slices, because otherwise it's going to select all the little things that we didn't select, all these background pictures and stuff. We don't need those right now. So we're just going to do all user slices. And click save. And we're going to have to replace it. And there you have it.